Welcome to Welch's Hot Wheels at Welch's Raceway for round two. Starting it off with a 1986 Monte Carlo in the right lane, 68 Barracuda in the left. Oh, we got a wreck in the left. Monte Carlo gets him with a 1.394 for the win. Driver of the 68 Barracuda is all right, and we have the track all cleaned up. Moving on, race number two, 1969 Camaro in the right lane. Have a 1970 AMC Rebel in the left. Oh, left lane wins. Camaro did not make it, tried to jump the middle, so AMC for the win with a 1.437. Race number three, we have a 1970 Chevelle in the right lane. Have a 1969 Dodge Charger in the left. Oh, that was a tight race. Right lane for the win with a 1.546 to a 1.557. Race number four, we have a 2007 Shelby GT 500 in the right lane. We have a 1973 Ford Falcon in the left. Left lane, Ford Falcon, a 1.295 to a 1.446 for the win. Race number five and final race for the night. We have a 1968 Dodge Coronet in the right lane. We have a 1992 Ford Mustang in the left lane. Left lane, Ford Mustang, a 1.533 to a 1.602 for the win.
Here's the official results from round two with the AMC machine in the lead with 50 points. The Shelby GT 500 and the Dodge Coronet Super B need to step it up if they want to be contenders in this series. Thanks for watching, stay tuned, and make sure you subscribe.